Hi, I'm Amanda Mall with Eastwood Homes. Welcome to Rone Creek.
Discover the perfect blend of modern comfort and small town charm here at Rone Creek, Eastwood Homes' newest community located in Waxhaw, North Carolina. Here you'll find stunning new home designs on big, large wooden home sites. At Rone Creek, you'll be living in style with high-end finishes like quartz countertops, tile backsplashes, butler's pantries, and all of the conveniences that will make your new home your favorite place on earth, including home offices, lofts, and spa-worthy primary suites. We have several quick move-in homes under construction and ready to choose from, including first floor primary bedroom options, as well as 2- and 3-story options. All of our quick move-in homes feature finishes hand-picked by our professional design team, allowing you to choose a new home that will be ready to move into soon while still meeting your dream home standards. If you want to build from the ground up at Rone Creek, we have 8 floor plans to choose from, with several structural options available, allowing you to build the exact home that you've been wishing for. Rone Creek is a quaint community of only 103 home sites, located less than 1 mile from the heart of historic downtown Waxhaw. Known for its welcoming atmosphere and rich history, Waxhaw offers a vibrant downtown with charming boutiques, local restaurants, and unique events create a lively, close-knit community. You'll love exploring Waxhaw's attractions and parks like Cane Creek and Waxhaw Playground, perfect for outdoor fun. With highly rated Union County schools, a strong sense of community, and proximity to some of the region's most desirable amenities, you'll find everything you need for work, school, and play. At Rone Creek, every day is an opportunity to make memories that last a lifetime. Don't just dream it, live it. Come to our model home and see for yourself why Rone Creek in Waxhaw is the perfect place to call home.